LG refrigerator, how to clean a condenser. This video applies to LG refrigerators with a condenser cover. For open condenser models such as shown here, you can simply use a soft cloth to clean the condenser. Use a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush, protective gloves and a Phillips screwdriver. Optionally, use a soft toothbrush. Pull the machine forward and make sure to unplug the power before you start. The condenser is located at the back, typically behind the back cover. During normal operation, never leave the back cover off. After cleaning the back plate, unscrew it. This is an example of a very dirty condenser. If the condenser is covered with dust and grease, it cannot release its heat to the room. This impacts the cooling performance of the refrigerator. That is why it is important to keep it clean. To cool the condenser, a fan is used. The air direction flow is from left to right. Over time, this attracts dust and grease from the kitchen area. The condenser fins, as well as other inner parts, can be sharp. This is why you should wear protective gloves. Depending on the type of condenser you have, you can decide to use a toothbrush. This helps to clean areas that are difficult to reach with the vacuum cleaner. If you decide to use a toothbrush, make sure it's a soft brush and that you clean along the direction of the fins, so they are not bent or damaged. This is a result before and after the condenser cleaning. When the condenser is done, clean the area around the refrigerator. Put on the back cover and mount the screws again. Make sure the water lines are seated correctly. You can now place the refrigerator back in its place. Don't forget to plug in the power cable.
Dragon Electronics, a lifetime experience.
60 ans, toujours à votre service.